We have what we call fix it right the first time. Our technicians are tasked towards, the car comes in for a repair. Initial repair, you can't prevent that 100%, but what you can control is that the car never comes back again for the same issue. That's what our technicians are trained at, fix it right the first time. And again, that leads towards the right tools, the right training. And again, just Wurth is part of the right tools. That's why I'm passionate about it. Complete, 100%. Even with our technicians in the field, we always encourage and train technicians to bounce the problem around the room. So in the automotive field, you can tend to work in silos, and the silos are in the shape of a bay, a work bay. Technicians don't always share the information only because of the speed they need to do the repairs, the accuracy, the flat rate aspect of it. We encourage, when a technician runs into a problem, always bounce it off your neighbor. Always ask the guy next to you, have you ever seen this? Did you ever experience it? How many times? So we have complete collaboration between all the technicians and including our on-site engineers. So if the technicians don't know, we grab the engineers right away. So, and again, we have the technical help desk, like I said, that I started at. That's always available for all the technicians in the retail world. It's extremely important. The East Coast training facility is in this building. So all the technicians from the East Coast, all the way out to about Tennessee, Maine to Florida, come here for training. And the training department will bring them into our shop to show them our operation here. They need to see that we are working as efficiently as possible, accurately as possible. You know, I've had a couple of technicians question about the Wurth products we've had out there. You know, I've never seen this before, what is it? And we'll tell them, and we tell them why we're using it. So it's extremely important to be efficient and productive here and accurate. This is corporate headquarters. If we can't fix the cars, no one in the country can. It's basically what it comes down to. Okay, there are 3 other people on my team. I have 2 technicians and a parts professional, and they've been in the shop here probably now together about 7 years. Yeah, they depend on the product even more so. I'm the manager here, but these guys are the ones that are hands-on performing the work. So when they have a rusted bolt and it comes out faster and easier because they use rust off ice, they love it. And it makes their job easier. That's the whole idea.
I'm Drew. I'm an intern here for the summer. I normally work with the VOLVO program. I basically prep cars, put plates on them, inspect them, put the stickers on, and park them outside and, you know, prep them up by cleaning them, take the labels off, and basically it'll get them ready for the employees to take their car for lease.
Yeah, my name is Chris McGillick. I'm a service technician here at Volvo for about 7 years. Very clean. Obviously we use it every day, so that's kind of my favorite go-to. Clean all grease, grime, oil and stuff. Rust off ice is awesome for the busted bolts and rusted bolts and stuff. It's a great job.
I'm a product follow-up engineer, so I'm working on identifying quality concerns we have with our vehicles. So looking for any issues and trends we have going on, any problems that a customer might experience, we try to investigate and we try to lobby to get resolved and work to get resolved with the designers and engineers in Sweden.